In this domain, we're going to have a look at how we can modify Windows 7 domain and workgroup settings. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm just going to take this Windows machine out of an Active Directory domain. I'm going to do that to add it into a workgroup because I need to do some testing on it. And then after I've done all the testing, I'm going to add it back into Active Directory to allow my users to access domain-based systems and also to use group policies to secure the users and to secure the computer. So in order to get into the settings, all we need to do is come into Control Panel. Once we're in Control Panel, we're just going to come to the System. Once we're in System and Security, all we're going to do here is come into System Settings. And within the System Settings, I'm just going to change the settings for the computer name, workgroup and domain settings. So click on Change Settings. This now brings me into the computer name. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click the Change button. First thing I'm going to do is just add this machine into a workgroup. Now that we've done that, we'll click OK. It's going to ask me for a restart. So what we'll do is we'll restart the machine. So we'll click OK to welcome to the workgroup. We'll click OK to do the restart. We'll close this down and we'll start the machine now. So while this is restarting, I'll just pause this video and we'll come back once the machine is restarted. Well, the machine's back up now, so we don't get the domain login anymore, but we get our workgroup login. So we're just going to log in as user admin. We'll stick in the password. Once we get in here, we're now a member of a workgroup. So we can see just from this screen here, we're logged into lon-cl1, which is the name of the machine, and we're logged in as the admin user. Now this isn't going to be much use to me in a corporate environment, so what I really need to do here is I just need to add this into Active Directory, so again we can get control from group policies and access domain-based resources. So again, all we're going to do is just come into Control Panel. Once we're in Control Panel, what we'll do here is we'll just come into System and Security. Then from System and Security, we're just going to come into System. Within System, back down to Change Settings. Now what I want to do here is I just want to change, and I want to add this machine to an Active Directory domain. Now the name of my domain is contoso.com. So we'll type in the domain, we'll click OK. It's now going to prompt me to authenticate this machine to Active Directory and actually add this machine to Active Directory. So to do that, I have the administrator account in Active Directory. We'll stick in the password. Once we've stuck in the password, we'll click OK. We're now a member of the domain, so we'll click OK. Again, it's going to ask me to do restart, so we'll click OK again. Click the close button. Click Restart now, and what this is going to do is going to start the machine, and when it comes back up now, it'll be a member of Active Directory. And one of the things we'll notice when it comes up is the login prompt looks slightly different. So we'll restart this now. Again, we'll pause the video just while the machine is restarting and come back once the machine is restarted. Right, the machine's back up, and as we can see, it's asked me to press Ctrl Alt and Delete login now. We're on that quick start screen I had before, so we'll just press Ctrl Alt and Delete. Now we're in here. We're going to log in. So what we've currently got here, we've got lon-cl1-admin, so I'm just going to switch user here. I'm going to go for another user, and I'm going to log into Contoso, /administrator, put in my password, and then we'll just log in. So it logs us in, and as we can see, we're now logged into the Active Directory domain of Contoso, and we're logged in as a user as administrator. So now we have full functionality from the Active Directory domain. We as system administrators can now set up permissions to actually control what the user can do on their desktop and centrally control them through group policy. And that's the end of this demonstration.